We'll guide you through how to transfer contacts from an iPhone to an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you've recently gone and switched to an Android, and now you want to go and get the contacts from the iPhone to the Android. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. So just to show you my contacts here, if I go and come to my contacts on the Android, we currently only have one. So to go about this, what you first of all need to do is come and start on the iPhone. What you need to do is go and open up the Contacts app like this. Then you want to go and press the back button in the top left. You want to go and find all, and then you can go and tap and hold here. And you want to go and find the option Export. Then you can go and have these selected, press the tick in the top right. This pops up, and what you can do is you can then go and find Mail, or you can scroll across and go and find Gmail, depending upon what you use. Now you can go and type in your email. Make sure you go and type in the email that you have on the Android. So in this case, I have this email here, Rob Tucker Videos. So I can then go and select that there. And what we're then going to do is go and send that. That's now been sent. And what we need to do is come onto the Android, and we need to come to our email. Let me go and find the Gmail app. You can always go and swipe up like this and search for Gmail at the top if you struggle to go and find it. Now we should go and have it here. Here it is. What you can then do is you can go and tap on it, and it's going to go and download, and it will go and say open with. You can then go and select contacts, and we can go and press always. It should then go and open up. Then what we can do is go and choose where to go and save the contacts. So we can go and press that there. And then what you can do is you can go and press import. Now you can come and return to the Contacts app, and as you can see, here they are. We've now done it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.